24 hours, one boat, no food, except one piece of bread and just water to drink. No phone, no rescue team, just me and the sea. Let's see if I can make it out. I wanted to test myself, mentally and physically, to see what it takes to survive when stripped of all the things we take for granted. No GPS, no snacks, no bed. Just this tiny boat, a bottle of water, and one slice of bread. The hardest part at the beginning? Boredom. No distractions, just your thoughts. Out here, silence is loud. I started to feel it, the isolation, the hunger, but I couldn't give in, not yet. Physically, I'm weak. Mentally, I'm stronger than ever. I faced the sea, the hunger and the quiet, and I made it. I survived 24 hours at sea with just water and one piece of bread. It pushed me to my limits and reminded me how powerful the human spirit really is.